Cardinal circuit demonstration of an AirVac DRS25 solder rework station. Currently just have a test profile loaded to show function of the machine, heating of the plates, function of the nozzle, so on and so forth. Notice on the graph, thermocouples are registering temperatures. It's currently asking for a component on the loading tray. At this point it would be picking up VGA or QFP from the loading tray with the nozzle, setting it where it would go for alignment check. Once alignment is completed, it lifts the part out of the way, sends the vision block to the back, lowers the nozzle into position over the board. At this point, as you can see, no board in the machine. Currently going through the placement routine. It's currently going into the preheat steps. You notice the temperature climbing for underside heating and nozzle heating. As you can see, temperature versus time graph climbing. Back up. As you can see, actuals climbing steadily as underside heats and nozzle come up to temperature. It's a brief demonstration of the AirVac DRS25 solder rework station. For Cardinal Circuit, thank you.